gonna tell you a secret. I don't like gel polish. I'm such a true hard gel girl. However, I think that Light Elegance just changed my mind. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Celina Rydén. I have been doing nails since 2005. In this video, I want to show you something brand new and exciting from Light Elegance. Some of you might already heard about the P+. That is the Light Elegance gel polish. Well, they have changed the formulation, they have changed the packaging, and it's just a P+ 2.0. For those of you who are already familiar with the Light Elegance P+, the old one, I know that a lot of you thought that it was good, but it wasn't as pigmented and as glittery as the Light Elegance hard gels that we have in pots. Light Elegance listened to you guys, and that is why they came out with this brand new formulation. Well, hopefully you are as excited as I am, so I'm not gonna let you wait any longer. We're gonna do an unboxing, and I'm also gonna show you the difference between the old P+ and the new one. Let me welcome you to the Hello Box, which contains everything you need to get started with new P+ system. The Light Elegance gel polish is 100% heme-free. It is also 9-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free, which of course makes it a product that you can be proud of using and wearing. Included in the Hello Kit is the famous JimmyGel, which is a soda builder gel in a bottle. We also got the brand new Cutie base, which will allow you to soak the overlay off in just 7 minutes. We of course got a color, and this is a brand new one called Hidden Secrets. And it's a mauvey, dusty rose pink that will look perfect on every skin tone. And lastly, we got the P+ top coat to wrap the entire system up. So let's take a quick look inside the bottles and compare the old with the new. The first thing you notice when you open the new bottle is the brush, and it's more or less screaming at you to try it out. Same thing goes for the glitter with the brush, but here you'll also notice that there are more glitter in the new P+. Well, twice as much to be exact. Let's take old P+ out for a test ride. Well, this is actually the first time for me trying out the old P+. Don't tell anyone. Well, I've heard people saying that they didn't really like the pigmentation, but I have to say that my first impression wasn't too bad. I was expecting it to be way more runny and less pigmented. The thing that I didn't like though was the brush. The color was a little bit streaky, but I mean, it's definitely okay for a first coat. And now I am super curious to compare this with the new P+. Okay, so here we go. Obviously, these are two completely different shades, but unfortunately, I didn't have any of the old ones to match the new colors. The first thing that hits me, again, is the brush. It just lays there like a smooth velvet hug, and the way it wraps around the shape of the nail and the cuticle area will make your nail heart flutter. The colors also feel more smooth in a way and more pigmented. I also get the feeling that it's a bit more self-leveling and that it evens out that streaky feeling a little bit better. But just look at that brush. Going in with the second coat on the old P+, and it feels like I can get most of that streaky feeling out, but for some reason I don't feel like the color is being 100% saturated, even though it's very covering. There's just something missing. The feeling I get for the second coat with the new P+ though is completely different. The true color really pops and feels super saturated. Still loving the new brush and the creamy, nice feeling of the color. Here you got both nails side by side, and on first glance it might look pretty much similar when it comes to the saturation and opacity. But let's put my phone's flashlight behind the nails and just look at the difference. Pretty cool. Moving on to the glitter, and here we are using the old P+ in the shade #glam. I have to be honest here and say that I was expecting this to be so much worse than it was. I struggled a little bit around the cuticle area and on the sides, and the glitter particles pull back a little bit together with the gel, but I figured that it could maybe be fixed with the next layer. For the new P+, I'm using Tiny Diamond, and again, the brush. Hello! And the coverage is absolutely dreamy. You kind of want to semi-float the brush and keep it relatively flat against the nail. It didn't pull back from the cuticles at all and was just so easy to apply. So here's after one coat, and you can see that I was struggling a little bit around the cuticle area on the old one, but the left just have that perfect application look to it. Going in with the second coat, and this is where I can fill up those spaces where I need more glitter. And on the new P+, I actually didn't even feel like I needed a second coat, but went for it just to see if it would add bulk, and it definitely didn't. Comparing these two, I actually think both look great, but the new one was just so much more fun to apply. Oh, and did I mention that this will actually stay on for 21 days? And there you have it. I know that Light Elegance have been working so hard for such a long time, and I know that they are super proud of this new product. If you already like the Light Elegance P+, then you got to try this out. And if you haven't already, then I recommend you to get this kit because you have everything you need right here. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and Light Elegance channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!